on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here coming to you guys, and as you guys saw in the title as well as the thumbnail to this video, it is going to be a completely different style of video, giving you guys the inside scoop on my personal office. Again, my personal office. I decided to just, over the quarantine and with the whole pandemic happening, I was like, you know what? I want to make a 100% recording studio. I'm going to show you guys what my entire desk setup looks like. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I've done to my office just thus far and what my plan is to do. And honestly, I want some of your guys' help. Behind me, as you guys can see, I do not have anything hanging there. I have nothing there, but I would love to see what your guys' opinion are. What should I have behind me? Make sure and drop in the comment section down below. But seriously, please like this video, comment down below, and if you guys are brand new here, make sure and come subscribe. Stay till the very end of this video because I'm literally going to be showing you guys exactly what I go live on TikTok, when I go live on Instagram, when I go live on any other platform, and really give you guys the inside scoop to actually what my office looks like, what I enjoy, you know, how I'm able to create these YouTube videos essentially, and so forth. So make sure and stay to the very end of this video. Again, I thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you guys are brand new, make sure and like this video if you guys haven't already. Again, and let's jump right into this. All right, so diving into my office, I'm literally going to be showing you guys each and every piece that I have in here. Some of it is custom, some of it is the way that it is. What you guys will notice when you guys walk into my office, so as I was saying, when you guys walk into my office, you guys see the lights. You see everything is almost lit up. Like I have my mirror, and I'm gonna show you guys my mirror. I'm gonna talk to you guys about my mirror. I have my bar cart is lit up. I have my red chair is lit up. My fridge is lit up. I have my display case, which I'll show you guys. My display case is lit up. You guys will see my keyboard. My mouse is lit up. You guys will see I have a lava lamp. You guys will see I have a ring light for my TikTok lives. You'll see I have lights above when I shoot my YouTube videos. And if you guys haven't already, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this YouTube video. Make sure and come subscribe because your boy appreciates the new subscribers on the road to 100,000 subscribers. So let's dive right into this. Let's jump right over here. I'm going to show you guys my mirror. So this is my mirror. This is ultimately where I actually placed it behind the door. Some of you guys might be like, yo, Austin, that's not even a good location. The reason I placed it behind my door is because it actually shines right at where I sit when I am doing my videos or when I'm working. So whenever I'm about to go live or something, I check my hair. I make sure I'm good. I make sure I got no food in my teeth. You guys know how it is because I like to munch on them goodies. And so here, obviously, I have my bar cart. My bar cart is a place for my clients and myself to sit down and really just enjoy a nice cocktail, a nice drink, as well as really aesthetically pleasing. So again, when I close a big deal, I like to enjoy myself. When I am here super late night at the office, I like to enjoy myself. And that's exactly what I do in this office. And now, obviously, as you guys can see, the lighting might not be the greatest, but don't mind me. This is my fancy red chair. Maybe if I turn this light on here, this would scare you. No? So this is my red chair. This chair is actually where I do a lot of my thinking. This chair is actually where I have clients come talk to me, and I sit in my computer chair. They sit in their chair. It's very comfortable. This is like my thinking. This is my enjoying chair. This is my good energy chair where it's red, and some of you guys are like, oh, Austin, it's red. Well, it matches a lot of things in my office, and you guys will see, but this is actually my main focal point, and I stand out along with my custom Stormtrooper. So as you guys know, having a bar cart, having my good mirror, having my comfortable chair sitting on my cowhide rug, which happens to be off-white, you guys already know I'm gonna have my very own mini fridge. And that's exactly what this is. So as you guys know, I absolutely love Essentia, so I ordered some Essentia. You guys know I love my salsa. Salsa is a must. The Fiji on the bottom is for my clients. And then the Liquid Death is actually because I love canned water. How weird is that? But I really do. And then as you guys know, we got my Skull vodka for whenever it's a late night and I'm just trying to enjoy myself when I'm not really looking for scotch. I got this entire setup right here with Paris and the Alligator. And the reason that I actually got the Alligator represents just pure force. So if you guys know that the alligator's mouth actually is one of the strongest bites in the world. And when I walk into this office, I remember that Austin Lewis's power, my sheer will, my growth in this office is so strong and so powerful that I want to remember with that. And that right there, it leads me into my next figure. And my next figure is one of my most favorite figures in my entire office. It happens to be my Stormtrooper. Now, a lot of questions you guys are gonna ask of me with my Stormtrooper here is, yo, Austin, do you like Star Wars? And the answer to that question is yes, but not this crazy. But the reason I like this and enjoy this is because I love art. I love the art of evil and good. I love the art of taking a 4-foot structure. Yes, this guy is 4 feet. In putting on what represents me. And as you guys can see, I'll cover this part up, but this part says pay me. It's got the dollar signs on it, and then the main piece, which happens to be hustle. And then of course he's got himself a nice little timepiece, which I got myself a nice little timepiece as well, you know what I mean? And then he's got some Dolce & Gabbana shoes on him as well. So this piece is in here to just ultimately motivate me. This piece is in here to just kind of show everybody that comes into my office, this is my motivation piece. It says, you pay me, okay? And hustle. I'm all about hustling hard, ladies and gentlemen. Moving over to here. This is actually my display case. My display case, as you guys know already inside, it does have my Stormtrooper, which is holding my scotch. It does have the 2 miniature 100% bear bricks inside of it, which happens to be one, a Stormtrooper, and then obviously Darth Vader. Moving down into row number 2, this happens to be my TikTok 100,000 plaque. And then as you guys can see, a lot of this is actually empty and I need to fill this up. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So any of you guys have any hookups on some extra bear bricks, I'm getting some bigger bear bricks and type stuff. Whatever you guys think that I should put in my display case, please, I really want this to be interactive. And that leads me into what's behind me. Okay? This wall has been one of the biggest struggles for me inside this office, guys. This is a piece that I want to give to you guys. For each of you that are on this video watching right now, drop in the comment section what you guys think I should put back here. I'll take the best idea and absolutely do it. And I also forgot, I did put wood, this different green wood in my office so that it would give it that rustic modern feel, as well as foaming the entire ceiling, ladies and gentlemen. So what do you guys think that I should do right here? We're gonna move on to my actual desk setup right now. So this camera angle actually is camera angle number 1. This foam is just simply so when I am talking this direction, the foam actually kind of gets as much of the talking that I personally want to do, which is super cool. And then obviously I have my HD screen where I can actually plug this into my camera up here. Of course, mic number 1 goes into the camera, and then I plug the camera into this so that I can actually see what is going on. I can see what I'm recording. I can see everything that is actually happening, ladies and gentlemen. And guys, honestly, that's really it. That is my office. Now, if you guys have enjoyed this different style of video, you guys want to see other videos of this, then definitely make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure and drop in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see in future videos. Austin Lewis here saying thank you guys so much for the subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the like. Thank you guys so much for the comment. Make sure and share this with 5 of your friends, and we'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.